Good morning and welcome back to Autokarner, and today we are actually I'm going to work, and I thought why not film it because it's quite a long drive. It's a 7-hour drive and I thought it's a beautiful weather outside. Let's take the AMG. So one thing I love about these cars is the sound. When the engine is cold. Sounds so good. Waking up 500 horsepower. Imagine waking up 500 horses. Like literally 500 horses. That's, if they would make a sound, it would be this sound. I've changed a couple of things on the car. We got a new alternator wheel thing. The multi... Now I finally figured out the name. It's the belt for the supercharger, and there is a pulley or something like that have also changed. Luckily enough, the previous owner actually bought one just before selling the car to me, so I took it from the old engine. So it's brand new. It cost him 230 bucks, and I thank you for that, Mr. Victor. And now I'm onwards. First stop is 2 hours away, so I am going to relax in my beautiful comfy seat and enjoying this beautiful day, and I could not be happier. This is my I'm happy face. Oh! It did. I love when it does that. I love when it does that. We're now in Vimmerby, home of Pippi Långstrump. And if you don't know what Pippi Långstrump is, you have to Google it.
Meter. I rondellen tar du andra avfarten och stannar kvar på väg 40.
Okay, no problem. Oh my god.
Efter 1 kilometer. I rondellen tar du andra
Goodbye, Pippi Långstrump. On to the next town. Just fucking old people in Vimmerby.
Ja, det ska tid också. Gästerna kommer på fredag, vet du.
So I got my breakfast ready. I usually eat at home, but this time I did not have time to do it. So onwards. This is quite funny. It's basically electric parking, and this is the newest electric car from Mercedes-Benz. The Mercedes-Benz E190 electric remake. This is also an electric car, by the way. As you can hear, fully silent. So next destination is 24 minutes away, so I'm gonna drive there now. Oh, there is a track here! Oh my god, I want to go to this track! Can I also go to this track? Oh, now I just figured out an idea. I have to go to a track day. Oh my god, it's a legit track. And now we have Biltema. Oh! Making popping sounds. So we are in, we made it to Vimmerby. which is stop number 2 on my journey. This is actually the most relaxing day I ever had at work. I don't work like this always, it's just special occasions. So yeah, second stop, so let's do my thing and we're on to the next town, wherever that is, I don't know. Yep, I'm happy with that. And one thing about this car, it's actually not that bad on fuel. 10.4 or 10.7 actually, 100 kilometers. Now at destination number 3, and I pushed the car a little bit, and oh my god, is this thing fast. To it, you really put your throttle down for more than 20 seconds. You're doing so much speed, it's incredible. I don't even want to know how fast the new E63 is. I mean, it's too fast. It's too fast. I mean, where the fuck am I going to use all the power? I've never had a car with this amount of power, and the feeling you have, the power you have 500 horsepower on your right foot, it's a magnificent feeling. And once you plant this car and you just go, and you just see the speedometer doing this, and oh, there's some popping sounds. I hope I get that on camera. I mean, it's just so fast and it's so much fun, and you're just giggling like a 5-year-old because well, it's so much fun. Hey, where am I going right now? So yeah, it's an unbelievable car. I cannot stress it enough. It's what a car, what a car. Anyways, we are in a new city, Oskarshamn I think it's called, and yeah, I'm gonna do what I have to do here, and then on to the next one, which I think, if I'm not incorrect, is Kalmar, which is also on the, is basically on the coast of Sweden near the ocean. So yeah, so onward. The weather is just unbelievably beautiful right now, and I could not ask for a better day. It's 22 degrees outside. It's a wonderful, wonderful day. I just mix. Oh, show. I missed my exit, but I think I can go around. I have to say though, it's a beautiful little town, this Oskarshamn. Now, future will give you all the information about Oskarshamn, so you know more than me as of this moment. Turn that off. Now we are on our way to Kalmar. It's actually a little bit bigger city, and when I'm in Kalmar I'm gonna eat something and I'm gonna take some nice snap photos of the car as well. And then I'm heading home back to my home city, which is Jönköping. I could not ask for a better day. I'm so happy right now. Yellow bus. Now we made it finally to Kalmar. Now last job of the day, and then relaxing even more. Oh, AMG C220. So I found a cool dealership, but it's closed. We have some Bentleys, some Porsches, a Panamera. It's nothing special, but they're closed. Sadly, they are closed. So I don't know what more is it in Kalmar. I'm gonna go and explore Kalmar actually for the first time ever in my life. And let's see what Kalmar has to offer. Look at the dinner today and a beautiful view. Thank you for watching today's video. So I made it home and just finishing editing the video. I thought I can enjoy myself a little bit by doing some Assetto Corsa. It's actually, this game is actually really realistic. I've played R-Factor my entire life. And then my friend showed me this game. I was hooked from the start. It's a really cool game. It's actually very realistic the way the car moves in the game. Right now we're driving the 991 Turbo S. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. More to come here on Outsparted, as you always know. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more fun, enjoyable videos, I guess. Peace.